Okay, so we are supposed to find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 90 and the length is 3 inches less than triple the width. So let's call the width W. Now, triple the width would be 3 times W, but this length is 3 inches less than triple the width. So we have dimensions. Our length is 3W minus 3, and the width is W. The perimeter is 90. Now, the perimeter is the distance all the way around it. So we need to add up the distance all the way around it and set it equal to 90. So our perimeter of 90 is equal to, so we have the bottom side, the length is 3W minus 3. And then we have the width of W. And then along the top, it's the same length as the bottom because that's a property of rectangles, opposite sides of the same length. So we have another 3W minus 3, which we could have said 2 sets of 3W minus 3. 2 times 3W minus 3 and 2 times W, or, we can just write it this way. Okay, now we need to collect all of our like terms. So if we collect all of the W's, that gives us 8 W's. And then I'm going to collect these minus 3's, and it's good to somehow keep track of it. You see how I underlined the W's and I'm circling the negative 3's?
Yes.
So I don't miss anything. Okay, negative 3 minus 3 is negative 6.
Makes it easier to identify them.
Yeah, all that equals 90. Now we need to get the W alone on one side. That's what it means to solve, is to get your variable alone on one side of the equal sign. Okay, now I'm going to add 6 to both sides because negative 6 plus 6 is a 0 pair. It goes to 0. Okay, so now if I come over here, I'll have 96 is equal to 8W, and I'm going to divide both sides by 8. So that gives me a width of 12. So the 8's cancel. So my width is 12, but we've got to be careful to answer the question. The question was find the dimensions. So our width we found is 12, but now we also have to find the length, which was 3W minus 3. Okay, so our length is going to be 3 times 12 minus 3, which is 36 minus 3, or 33. Okay, and so both of these will be in inches. So we have 2 answers here. The width is 12 inches, and the length is 33 inches.